Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Expedition in neutral. This is crucial for towing or moving the vehicle when it's not running. We'll cover the standard procedure and the specific manual override for situations without power. Knowing this process ensures you can safely manage your vehicle in various circumstances, preventing potential damage. When your Expedition has power, the rotary shifter is straightforward. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, simply rotate the shifter knob to the end position for neutral. This method is used for brief stops or when you need to move the vehicle a short distance with the engine running. Always confirm the gear selection on your dashboard. If your Expedition has no power or the rotary shifter isn't responding, you'll need the manual override. Look for a small access panel near the shifter. Carefully remove this cover. Inside, you'll find a lever or button. Use a small tool like a screwdriver to depress this lever, which will then allow you to shift into neutral. This is the only way without power. After putting your Expedition in neutral, always engage the parking brake immediately, especially if you're on an incline. Never leave the vehicle unattended in neutral without proper securing. This manual release is primarily for emergencies, towing, or when the battery is dead. Always consult your owner's manual for specific details and additional safety information for your model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.